This is going to be my attempt at making gluten-free scones, not the muffins, the scones. So it has been many years since I've tried this and I didn't have a mix. Let's see how it goes. So the mix is in here and I poured a ton of ginger on it because I'm going to pair it with cranberries. I'd say that's almost 2 cups. It was a bag full of dried, sugarless cranberries. This is sweet. They're naturally sweet. Third of a cup of milk, 2 eggs, 8 tablespoons, or a half a cup of butter, or the whole stick. So that's the key. This has to get cut up into 8 pieces and kneaded with either the 2 forks or the pastry cutter. That's the first part. Let's get that done. This butter has to be fridge cold. And then it goes in 8 pieces, and then start working it either with a fork, start mushing it in like so, or again, the pastry cutter. And I have 1 piece left once I start getting that incorporated. So what I just learned is this cutter is awesome at getting the big chunks cut down into workable size chunks. See those? But I would be here all day if I had to keep going like this. So I'm going to switch to the forks. And it doesn't take a lot of strength. It just takes finding those pieces of butter. See that? And just constantly using the fork to get them blended into this dry mix, because those are fridge cold pieces of butter. So I'll keep going. So about 10 minutes later, I'm just constantly mushing and mushing and mushing and mushing. Make sure all of those chunks of butter were completely cut in. It is ready. So the butter is in. That is all. Now the 1/3 cup of milk, 2 eggs, and I'm going to add some cranberries go in. The box says stir until combined, but I'm just using the fork to fold it in so that I'm not mixing it too well, so that when it's done, it's still kind of crumbly. Okay, so this is how I'm leaving it. See how it's still kind of crumbly? Looks like a cookie dough. I just tasted it. It is so out of this world good, just the batter. I could eat that whole bowl. The only interesting thing is this is the scones, and it says makes about 12 muffins. Then you come down and read, and it says make it into 8 discs. So I think I'll just use my scone pan. Et voila, there they are in the cast iron scone pan. So yeah, these are mini, so it gets 16. They will work, and it goes in the oven at 400 for 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. So they took an extra 5 minutes to bake, probably because the cast iron, and I did not pre-warm it. But, oh my gosh, if anyone could smell these, they smell fantastic. They smell wonderful, and look at that golden brown. Delicious. These taste fantastic, and the consistency is crumbly like a scone, and it would go well with cheese. Now I added ginger and cranberries. You could put sugar on top, brown sugar, regular sugar, dress it up, put some icing on it. These scones came out fantastic.